In 2009, the Indian Armed Forces now began to shift towards the two-front war under nuclear threshold. And since then, we started deploying S-400 ballistic missile in between Pakistan and China, somewhere in Jammu and Kashmir or Himachal. We do not know exact location of these batteries, but we deployed to counter. Secondly, we also have strike corps on China, strike corps on Pakistan. These are basically meant for taking the war inside the territories of China or Pakistan. Instead of being a defensive, we are now planning for an offensive campaign with these measures. So, in the light of the 2009 shift from Pakistan to China and also to two-front war under nuclear threshold, Indian Armed Forces are now preparing for that kind of a contingency since 2009.